when the discriminant is 0, the condition is d equals to 0, then the roots of an algebraic equation are equal. So d equals to 0, that means d equals to b square minus 4ac. So first of all, we have to convert this equation into the standard form of quadratic equation. So x minus a plus. First of all, convert it into the standard form of quadratic equation. So you have to multiply these things, x square minus x. So here x square plus x square plus x square minus bx then minus bx. Okay, then minus ax, here is minus ax, then plus ab, then minus cx, here is also a minus cx, then plus ab, then plus bc, then plus ac, we can write it as ca. So this is equal to 3x square, this is equal to minus bx minus 2bx minus 2ax minus 2cx. So after this AB plus BC plus CA equals to 0. So 3x square minus 2 common B plus C plus 2 plus A plus C into x. Okay, minus 2bx minus 2x minus 2cx plus AB plus BC plus C. Like that equals to 0. So our the standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. That means here a equals to 3, b equals to your, that is minus 2 into here the coefficient of x, that is a plus b plus c, and c equals to ab plus bc plus c. Right? So these are the a, b, c, which are the coefficient of the x. Okay, c is the constant now. So now these things, the roots of these are equal. That means discriminant is 0. That is d is 0. That is b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Okay. We have to find out now. That is b square minus 4ac. B equals to minus 2. A plus b plus c. And c equals to a plus bc plus c. That is d equals to b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac. So b square, that means minus 2. B square minus 4 is minus 2a plus b plus c minus 4 into a into c. So here minus 2 plus 12. Square of minus 2 is 4. A plus b plus c whole square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. 4 into a square plus b square plus c square plus. Hello. Here minus 12 ab plus bc plus 0. So now here is 4, here is 12. Divide 4. Here when we divide 4, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab. Divide 4, 3. Dividing 4 on both sides. Okay. So a square, b square, c square, 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. Here 3b. Multiply these things. 3ab minus 3bc minus 3ca. So a square plus b square plus c square. 2ab minus 3ab, that is minus ab. 2bc, that is minus b, this is minus c. Then multiplying 2. Okay. That means we can write 2a square, that is a square plus a square 2a square, b square plus b square 2b square 2 c square plus c square 2 square. That means a square b square minus 2ab. We can write as like as this a square minus 2ab plus b square. One. Then b 2ab bc, then b square minus 2bc plus c square. Then plus c square minus 2ca plus a square equals to 0. This is possible. How? That 2a square means a square plus a square. 2b square means a square, b square plus b square, a square plus a square. Here is one a square, here is another square. Okay, 2a square. Then b square, here is b square. Okay, 2b square. Then c square plus c square. Okay, 2c square. Then 2a to c. Just we add this. This equals to your a minus b whole square plus b minus c का whole square plus c minus a का whole square. Okay, these are the real numbers, and the square of non-negative real numbers are 0. The square of non-negative real numbers are always positive, and their squares, the sum of their squares will be 0 when the individual terms are 0. You have to remember these things. Sum of their squares will be 0 when the individual terms are 0. That means, here we can write this. That means a minus b का whole square equals to 0. b minus c का whole square equals to 0, and c minus a whole square equals to 0. Okay, so a minus b equals to 0, then b minus c equals to 0, then c minus a equals to 0. So a minus b equals to b minus c equals to c minus a. So a b cut गया, c cut गया, so a equals to b equals to c, which you have to. Okay, thank you very much.